Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and I'm standing on a 2020 193C NauticStar. Lots of seating up front. I like the addition of the bow ladder as well, so if you want to pull up onto the islands around here, you're fine. Ski storage. It's got the infinity stereo system, a freshwater sink. I also like the fact that over here, if you lift this up, you've got a place to put a cooler. Ski tow bar. It's got the 115 Yamaha 4-stroke. An oversized large bimini top. You also have a place down here for storage. You got another cooler. If you'd like to know any more about this boat, please call me on my cell at 850-974-6032.